Woo, this was gonna be fun. Welcome back to another dent. This is James with Dent Repair Jacks. Look at this huge fender smash in a Toyota Camry. This thing to me looks like a baseball player swinging a bat. There's his head and there's the bat. Boom. Tons of smile, real sharp smile. There's some paint damage in there, quite a bit actually, and a lot of damage to the body line, real deep, and the edge is also damaged. All right, so that's some rubbing compound, so we can get all the paint transfer off that we can. Today I'm working in a parking garage, a little change of scenery. This is downtown Jacksonville, view from my parking garage. Whoa, where'd the clip go? Oh, there it is. All right, getting that fender liner out of the way, and now I'm heating up this panel so that I don't crack the paint, bust the paint whenever I push on this. This thing is really locked up, and I'm gonna get in there with this tip from Dentcraft and push. Man, that thing flopped out. If I had to do that again, I think I wouldn't have pushed in the deepest part. So I'm knocking down. There's what the progress looks like so far. She is chunky and chonky, and still got a ton of work to go, but this is kind of the first phase. All right, now I took out some trim and I'm pushing from the top through the fender. This is what it looks like now. Almost there. Knocking down some. So always fix the dents from as many angles as possible, and always be changing around. That's how you're gonna get the best possible outcome. This one needed a post-repair scan to make sure all the ADAS systems were still functional. Those are like your airbags and your collision warning systems and all that. Everything checked out, everything was fine. All right, this is what it looks like at the end of the day. This one looked really good for what it was. And this silver Camry is gonna go back to rent on the streets of Duval. All right, see y'all next dent. Appreciate y'all.